bulldozer in our workshop. We'll add all the parts until it's ready to work. Place the driver's cabin at the front. It has big windows so the operator can see the road and the work clearly. Place the fuel tank to power up the truck. Now it's time for the hydraulic arms and the bucket in front. This is the part that scoops sand, soil, or gravel with power. Let's attach big wheels for moving anywhere. Fenders go on to keep mud away. Finally, a ladder so the driver can climb in. Let's add mud guards to keep it clean on muddy roads.